Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to give customized names for your TikTok followers. So if you have a TikTok friend or a TikTok family member who's following and you want to give it a customized name, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Since this is a new feature, your TikTok app needs to be updated. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're going ahead and tapping on search and you're searching for the account who you want to give a customized name. So here I want to go ahead and find my other account, the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page for that account. Now just next to the message, go ahead and tap on this profile button here. Down below here, go ahead and find customize name. So go ahead and tap on this. So give this person a name you're familiar with and only you can see it. So I can put down second account and I'll tap on save. Now once I do this, this will change at the top as second account. So now I've given a customized name. However, in the TikTok world, everyone knows this account by the Simple Dad. Now if I go through my following list, I can see my account here and the customized name for it is second account. And there you go. That is how to give customized names for your TikTok followers on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.